In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a task into a subtask in Asana. Turning a standalone task into a subtask is a great way to tidy up your projects, group related work under a single parent task, and keep your team focused on the big picture. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can do this confidently, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening the project where your task currently lives. You can get there from your sidebar or your recent projects. Any project view works, whether you're in List, Board, or Timeline, because what we need is simply access to the task itself. Next, select the task you want to convert. Click it once to open its Details pane on the right. Take a moment here to confirm you've got the right task by glancing at the title, description, assignee, and due date. If you have a lot of similarly named tasks, using the search bar can help you find the exact one you intend to convert. With the task details open, look to the top right corner of that pane for the three dots, also labeled More Actions. Click those three dots. If your window is narrow, this menu might be tucked into a drop-down, so you may need to expand the pane or scroll a bit to see it. In the menu that appears, hover over the Convert to option. This reveals a small submenu with different conversion choices. We're focused on moving this task under another task, so we'll choose the Subtask option from here. Click Subtask. Asana will prompt you to select the parent task you want to nest this under. This step is important because it decides where your newly converted subtask will live. You'll see a field to find the parent task. Start typing its name to filter results. When you spot the correct parent task, click it to confirm. Asana will complete the conversion and place your original task beneath that parent as a subtask. After the conversion, you'll see the task now listed under the parent, keeping its core details like description, attachments, and usually assignee and due date. Remember that once a task becomes a subtask, it won't appear as a top-level item in the original project view unless that parent task is also visible there. If you picked the wrong parent, don't worry. You can open the subtask and use the same More Actions menu to convert it back to a task or move it again. That's all you need to turn a task into a subtask in Asana. Keep related work grouped, reduce clutter, and make your project views easier to scan. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.